Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show how to prepare your own DIY turmeric cream at home. So first of all, let us see what are the ingredients we need to prepare this DIY turmeric cream. So to prepare this we need aloe vera gel, next you need a wild turmeric powder, and finally you need vitamin E capsule. Now before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. Now let's move on to the process. Take a clean bowl and spoon. Into this I am going to add aloe vera gel. Here you can use either aloe vera gel or orange gel or cucumber gel or whatever gel you are comfortable with, you can use that one. But today in this video I am going to use aloe vera gel. Here I am going to use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can even use fresh aloe vera which is available from aloe vera plant, but to increase its shelf life I am going to use ready-made aloe vera gel. Next I am going to add 1 vitamin E capsule. Extract oil from vitamin E capsule. If you don't have vitamin E capsule with you, then you can also use glycerin or sweet almond oil instead of this. After adding both the ingredients, then give it really very good mix. So once it is mixed very well, then you can see white creamy consistency like this. After everything is mixed well, then add the main ingredient in this cream is turmeric powder. So add this much of turmeric powder. Make sure to use wild turmeric powder, don't use a kitchen turmeric powder, so it may stain on your skin. If you don't have this wild turmeric powder at your home, it will be easily available in online, so you can purchase that one. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Our turmeric cream is ready. Now I am going to transfer this turmeric cream in a small container like this. Now let us discuss how many days we can store this turmeric cream. You can easily store this for about 15 days in room temperature, and if you refrigerate this, you can store it for a month. This turmeric cream has many skin benefits. It removes all your dark spots, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and brightens up your skin. So this how to use this turmeric cream. I usually use this as my night cream. I will apply this night cream before going to bed. I will apply this on back of my hand and show how it actually works. As we have added wild turmeric in this cream, it will not stain on your skin. As you can see, it absorbs very quickly and easily into our skin. So if you have any skin problems like acne, pimples, uneven skin tone, dark spots and all, This is all-in-one solution cream. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.